Try again. Yeah. Cut down. Yay! Clever boy. Sorry, put on the egg to fry. Now put the broccoli. Oh, with the broccoli. Clever boy. How about the beef? Fry the steak as well. Put it in the saucepan. Put it in the saucepan. Put it inside. Put it inside. Yay, clever boy. Beef steak with egg and broccoli on the side, yeah? Good. Now just wait for it to be cooked. How about the soup? Let's check the soup. Oh, you forgot to on the fire. Okay, is it ready? Is it ready? Thank you, darling.